See if I can smell rats, eh?
Yeah, see if there's any mice in there.
No rats.
Doesn't smell?
No.
Well, hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Now, you might be able to see in the background, I've got Dad here, and I guess the history says that when Dad and I are together with a D11, there's interesting things happening. But today's a little bit simpler. We're actually just going to try and start this. We haven't been here for about 5 months exactly, I think. So it's been sitting here. I was meaning to come back a couple months ago and fire it up and just move it forward and backwards, get all the liquid and the oil flowing in it, and all of that. But as you can see, it's a bit of a state here. We've got a crop growing on the ripper frame and all of that. So it has been here for a while, but we're just going to wing it, and you guys are here for the ride. We're just going to check the fluids, hit the key. We've only just arrived, so we haven't checked anything else. Dad's doing the oils.
We're in a bit of a hurry.
Yeah, we're in a bit of a hurry, so nothing like a bit of pressure. So who's going to do the honours?
Righto, I never checked the engine oil.
Didn't you?
It's been so long I've forgotten where it is, mate.
So here's some high adrenaline content for all you guys.
You sick people.
That looks like there's oil in it.
Righto, well you get the noise and I'll get the switch.
Righto.
Oh. See if I can smell rats, eh?
Yeah, see if there's any mice in there.
No rats.
Doesn't smell?
No. Right, now.
No lights flashing?
Situation normal.
So no lights flashing means either the rats have chewed all the wiring or there's no problems.
No. It was a bit doughy, wasn't it?
Yeah. The voltage was a little down, but she started. You want to lift the ripper and blade and go forward and backwards a bit? I'll hop down. Well, there you go. Didn't really make for an exciting video. Didn't even have to jump start it or anything. So ideally we don't want them sitting there for that long not being used, but yeah, just sometimes that's what it is. So the idea is we'll just move it backwards and forwards a little bit, use the turning brakes just to get all the oil circulating in the clutch packs and all that sort of stuff.
have a solar panel on it, would it, in situations like this?
You know what's funny? We did get a solar panel. It's a guy sent one for one of the dozers, and it's got a like pulses too, so it desulfates the battery and keeps the batteries lasting longer.
Right.
But I haven't fitted it. I was going to fit it to 23, but we could fit it to either.
There you go.
So yeah, it's there. It's on the shelf.
Now, Matt, we've got to talk about this other project that we've got to
Yeah, look, that's going to be a separate video. So guys, this is just a short, you know, just to get everyone excited about D11 content, because there hasn't been any of that for a long time, but it will be starting to happen more frequently now. Coming, the guys are back from holidays for one, but yeah, there's a few jobs lined up. But there is a project as far as making this thing a little bit louder, but I won't give too much away. I'll probably film a bit here in a second, but it'll be in a later video. So that'll be it, guys. Hopefully that satisfied people's, what do you call it, Dad? Hankering for a bit of D11 noise.
Yeah, it might have satisfied them, but it hadn't satisfied us.
No, you want something a bit louder, don't you? Yeah.
No, I'd really like to see whether we can alleviate the heat packet, the heat.
Is that the real reason? Or is it your 14-year-old boy coming out?
It's about 50-50.
Anyway, we'll catch you guys in the next one.